Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring you won't lose work, save files and optionally stash or commit local changes. Once done, locate the repository route in Explorer or the terminal. You need that path to target Git metadata. Make sure you decide whether you're removing only the local repository or also breaking remote links. This matters because the commands differ. Now open a terminal in that folder, because the next steps will remove Git tracking and possibly remote configuration. You will delete Git's metadata to stop version control. In the terminal, run the platform-appropriate command to remove the Git folder. This removes history and tracking. If you prefer GUI, open source control, click the ellipsis menu, and choose Remove or Close Repository to unlink from VS Code. To be thorough, also remove any remote references by running git remote remove origin so pushing won't occur. Make sure any required backups exist, because deletion is irreversible for local history. Finish by validating that the folder is no longer a Git repository. Run git status. It should report no repository. If you want to re-enable version control, run git init, add files, commit, and re-add remotes with git remote add origin. If VS Code still shows source control, reload the window or reopen the folder. Troubleshooting tip: if you accidentally deleted work, stop making changes and restore from your backup or the recycle bin. Don't attempt new commit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.